If you're planning a trip to Japan in 2025, you're in for an incredible experience. However, it's easy to overspend if you're not careful. Drawing from extensive experience and insights, let's explore how to make the most of your journey without breaking the bank. 1. Shopping at tourist spots. While it's tempting to buy souvenirs at major tourist attractions, these items often come with a hefty markup. For more affordable options, consider visiting local chain stores like Don Quixote or Daiso, which offer a wide range of products at reasonable prices. 2. Using the Japan Rail Pass. The Japan Rail Pass saw a significant price increase in October 2023, making it less cost-effective for certain itineraries. If you're traveling the popular Golden Route, Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Hiroshima, purchasing individual tickets may be more economical. However, for journeys to regions like Kyushu or Tohoku, the pass might still offer value. Always compare costs based on your specific travel plans. 3. Buying Shinkansen tickets at the counter. Purchasing Shinkansen tickets on the day of travel can be pricey. Instead, use the Smart EX app to book in advance and enjoy discounts. For instance, a round trip between Tokyo and Osaka costs 28,740 yen at the counter, but only 24,480 yen when booked 28 days ahead via the app. 4. Overusing taxis. Taxis in Japan are convenient, but can quickly drain your budget, especially for long distances. For example, a ride from Narita Airport to central Tokyo can cost around 25,000 yen. Japan's public transportation is efficient and affordable, making it a preferable alternative for most travelers. 5. Hotel breakfast buffets. While hotel breakfast buffets are convenient, they often come at a premium, sometimes around 2,000 yen per person. Local eateries, fast food chains, or convenience stores offer breakfast options ranging from 500 to 800 yen, providing both variety and savings. 6. Ordering à la carte. Many Japanese restaurants offer set lunch menus that provide excellent value, often including dishes not available à la carte and at a reduced price. Opting for these sets can enhance your dining experience while keeping costs down. 7. Ordering normally at izakayas. Izakayas, Japanese pubs, often provide nomi-hudai, all-you-can-drink deals, or senbero options, where you can enjoy drinks and snacks for just 1,000 yen. Taking advantage of these offers can lead to significant savings compared to ordering items individually. 8. Shopping at convenience stores. Japan's convenience stores, konbini, are incredibly convenient, offering everything from snacks to full meals. However, while they are great for a quick bite, prices tend to be higher compared to supermarkets. On average, items at konbini can be 20 to 30% more expensive than at discount supermarket like My Basket or OK Store. If you want to save money while shopping for essentials, it's best to visit these supermarkets whenever possible. 9. Shopping from vending machines. Japan has around 2.6 million vending machines, making it tempting to grab a drink or snack on the go. However, drinks from vending machines are usually more expensive than those sold in supermarkets or convenience stores. For example, a bottled drink that costs 160 yen in a vending machine may only cost 120 yen at a supermarket. If you're traveling on a budget, it's smarter to stock up on drinks from a supermarket or a discount store before heading out. 10. Buying tickets to tourist attractions at the counter. Many attractions in Japan, such as Shibuya Sky, Tokyo Skytree, and Universal Studios Japan, offer discounts when tickets are booked in advance online. Purchasing at the counter on the day of your visit can cost 300 to 500 yen, more per ticket. Additionally, popular attractions may sell out, leaving you with limited options. Always check online booking platforms like Klook, Rakuten Travel, or official attraction websites for the best deals. 11. Visiting attractions during peak season. Dynamic pricing is becoming common in Japan, meaning tickets to attractions can be more expensive during peak seasons, weekends, and holidays. For example, Tokyo Disneyland and Universal Studios Japan have different pricing depending on the season. If you have a flexible schedule, visiting on a weekday or during off-peak periods can save you money and provide a better experience with fewer crowds. 12. Overspending at shrines or temples. Visiting shrines and temples is a must-do in Japan, but many tourists unknowingly overspend. One common mistake is donating 1,000 yen or more when making offerings, whereas most locals use a 5 yen coin, which symbolizes good luck. Similarly, omamori, amulets, and goshuin, temple stamps, are great souvenirs, but buying too many can add up. If you're on a budget, be selective about your purchases. 13. Keeping too many coins. Although Japan is gradually becoming cashless, many places still prefer cash. However, a common issue for travelers is accumulating small coins, which cannot be exchanged back into foreign currency at most exchange counters. To avoid being stuck with leftover yen, try to use coins for small purchases or donate them at temple charity boxes before leaving Japan. 14. Exchanging money at airports or hotels. Currency exchange counters at airports and hotels often have worse exchange rates compared to banks or city exchange offices. Instead of converting all your money upon arrival, exchange only a small amount at the airport, about 5,000 yen for immediate expenses, and use ATMs at 7-Eleven or Japan Post Bank, which generally offer better rates. 15. Giving tips in Japan. Japan has a no-tipping culture, and leaving a tip may even cause confusion. Unlike in Western countries, service charges are already included in restaurant and hotel bills. If you try to tip, the staff may politely refuse or return the money. Instead of tipping, show appreciation by saying "Gochisu-sama deshita," a phrase meaning "thank you for the meal" after dining. 16. Donating to fake street monks. Tourists often encounter individuals dressed as monks in places like Ueno, Asakusa, and Kamakura, asking for donations. While they may present a book listing supposed donors, these are not real monks. It's a scam. Temples in Japan do not solicit donations on the street. If you want to donate, visit an actual temple. 17. Following street touts in nightlife areas. Areas like Shinjuku's Kabukicho and Roppongi are known for nightlife, but also have street touts promising cheap drinks or entertainment. Many tourists fall for these scams only to receive huge bills, sometimes over 50,000 yen, $350, and threats if they refuse to pay. To stay safe, never follow touts, always research bars in advance, and choose reputable places. 18. Overpaying for internet, pocket Wi-Fi versus SIM cards. Reliable internet is essential in Japan, but choosing the wrong option can be costly. Pocket Wi-Fi is great for groups since multiple people can share it, but rental fees add up. For solo travelers, SIM cards or eSIMs are more affordable and convenient. To save money, compare providers like Ninja Wi-Fi and Japan Wireless, which often offer discounts. Planning ahead ensures a smooth and budget-friendly internet experience. 19. Booking travel essentials at full price. Flights, hotels, transportation passes, and attraction tickets often have discounts available online. Many tourists book at regular prices, missing out on savings. Websites like Klook, Keikide, and Japan Travel Bureau, JTB, offer discounts on Shinkansen tickets, airport transfers, and tours. Always check for deals before booking. 20. Not taking advantage of tax-free shopping. Japan's tax-free shopping program allows foreign tourists to save 10% on purchases at participating stores. But many travelers either forget to use it or don't meet the requirements. To qualify, you must show your passport at checkout, and your total purchase for the day should be between 5,000 and 500,000 yen. Additionally, items must remain unopened until you leave Japan. Major retailers like Don Quixote, Bic Camera, Uniqlo, and various department stores offer tax-free shopping. However, due to program misuse, Japan may introduce changes in 2025, so it's best to check the latest regulations before you shop. Japan is an amazing travel destination, and by being aware of these money-saving tips, you can make the most of your trip without unnecessary expenses. Which tip surprised you the most? Have you made any of these mistakes before? Let me know in the comments. If you're planning your trip, don't forget to subscribe for more Japan travel tips. See you in the next video. Happy travels!